Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you add people on Cash App. To add someone on Cash App, meaning to connect with them, you need to send the payment by entering their name such as Cashtag, phone number or email address. You can also visit or invite friends who does not have a Cash App by tapping your profile icon and selecting the invite friend options. So that way you'll be able to add people to Cash App. However, to send a money to an existing Cash App user, you could just tap on a new button from the home page or magnifying glass icon on the home screen. Next, you need to enter the amount you wish to send and click on the pay button. After which you have to add the recipient's contact information such as their cash tag, phone number or email. And optionally add a note for a payment and tap pay to send the payment, establish the connections as well. And likewise, as already mentioned before, you could just know their cash tag or phone number or email address, but you have to make sure that the other person also has a cash tag. Only then you'll be able to add them. Otherwise, you have to send an invitation link and which they can accept it and start creating their account, and then you could find the cash tag, or then you could consider adding them to your cash app. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.